Hello and welcome to another DSDApp tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to reopen a case. First, after you finish your patient documentation and you save it, you're going to want to go to My Cases. In My Cases, you're going to find the case that you just did the patient documentation on, and on the right hand side you're going to click the button that says Open. After it's finished loading, you can fill out some patient information that's needed, and in the lower right hand corner you're going to click the Timeline button. Towards the upper right hand corner you're going to click the Open button. After you have selected the pictures you would like to use for this case in Smile Simulation, on the lower right hand corner you're going to press the next arrow. And as you can see, we have now opened the case and started our Smile Simulation. Please refer to the Smile Simulation video for a tutorial on how to perform a correct Smile Simulation. Thanks for watching, and for more videos and tutorials, please be sure to check out our support page.